No one likes coming home to a dark house at night. Plus, those dark driveways and walkways can be hazardous. And leaving your outside lights on all night just wastes money. Introducing the handy Brite Solar LED Spotlight from JML. The affordable high-tech solution to your outdoor lighting problems. The solar-powered outdoor light turns on automatically when it detects motion up to 25 feet away. When it senses motion, the handy Brite Solar LED Spotlight instantly floods an area of over 600 square feet with bright light from an array of 8 high-powered LEDs that stay on as long as you need them. Then 30 seconds after it no longer senses motion, it automatically turns off. The handy Brite is easy to install. It doesn't require expensive wiring or batteries because it's completely self-contained. Secure it anywhere that the built-in industrial quality solar panel can soak in the sunshine during the day and store it as electrical energy to light up the night. It's fully adjustable so you can aim it exactly where you need it. As an added level of security, the handy Brite looks just like a high-tech security camera. Automatically illuminate your driveways, walkways and steps for the safety of yourself, your family, visitors and guests. Light up the garden for your kids at night. Perfect for late-night trips to the garden and for deterring unwanted guests. At the grill, to the shed, and anywhere else you need light. Plus, its weather-resistant construction is made for all-season use. Never come home to a dark house again with handy Brite Solar LED Spotlight from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.